Hey, what's going on, my beautiful, healthy people? It is Elmira, always helping you become a self-care boss. I am your licensed massage therapist, your body worker, and your spirit worker. And today we're going to talk about this handy dandy little ointment. It is called Tiger Balm. I'm going to give you my take on it. I'm going to give you the benefits, some drawbacks, whatever, because this is something I use with my clients to help relieve pain. What I love about it, it's got camphor oil in it. This happens to be the red extra strength. It also comes in a white version. You know, one thing about this red version, it works super well, but you want to watch it on your sheets because this happened to me one time. I used it on a client and then it stained my sheets. And Lord knows that was the day I used white sheets too. So I was like, no, no, no. But either way, it's this Tiger Balm packs a whole bunch of punch with a little bit because all you need is just a touch. And it comes in a small container and it works deep to penetrate through the layers of the muscles and the tissues. I actually like this Tiger Balm better than Biofreeze because Biofreeze is a gel. This is more of an ointment. You can use this for multiple things. It cures foot fungus. I do know that. And it also works, ladies, if you want to trim your tummy overnight, all you do, you can apply some of this to your abdominal area, wrap it in some plastic wrap, and then in the morning you will see some of that water weight dissipate because of the ingredients in this Tiger Balm. Get you some of this. It will help with your muscle aches. I've used it on myself for my arms because sometimes with doing massages, my arms get tired or overworked, and it works extremely well and it lasts a long time too. Arms, neck, shoulders, back, it really doesn't matter. I love this stuff. Go get you some Tiger Balm. You can get it at your drugstore or you can order it online. Until next time, remember you can book your healing massage with me at theselfcareboss.com, theselfcareboss.com. Also, I have a 6-week transformation program whereby you can unlock the real you. You'll find out in 6 weeks who you are. It in that program includes different stretching and just discovering all about you. You'll become a self-care boss by the end. To book a consultation to see if it's a good fit, go to theselfcareboss.com. Make it a relaxing day. Bye. And get you some Tiger Balm too.